Set it off, set it off, ho. Set it off, set it off, ho.
Right, guys, welcome back. Another wonderful day here in California. All right. I realize that every time I record, I'm sick, but it's because this is usually the time I'm free to do stuff. Weekends and stuff. I work with kids. So anyway, this is my CRV, as you all know. And I got a new battery. The previous one was pretty bad. After I rebuilt the suspension and fixed all the stuff that you guys are all aware of in the previous video. So yeah, I bought a new battery. It was actually it was coming out this way. When I went to O'Reilly's, the girl was just like, well, it's not working, and not just that, but it's pretty swollen on one side. And I looked and I was like, holy crap, you're right. So I bought a new battery. That was about 2 weeks ago. And I was like, damn, this sucks. Like, it moves. It's not good. So I was like, okay, what should I do? Well, this is what I did. This came in the mail today, actually. It's Saturday. I haven't looked at it yet. I just kind of unwrapped it, took it out of a FedEx shipping box. But about this, it's a little excessive. Billet. It's Billet. It's very nice and shiny. And it came with rods because I couldn't find any rods at the local junkyard. So I was like, what the fuck am I going to do? And then, yeah, I seen this on eBay. It was like 50 bones. So I was like, you know what? Screw it. This will make my engine bay look a little nicer since it's already nice and clean. And, yeah, so I got this. Let me open it up. It feels really good. Come over here, the lighting's a little better. But it feels really good. I don't know. I guess it's Billet. I guess it has the serrations on here like Billet. So yeah, pretty happy. So let me just slap it on real quick. And you guys will see that right now. Alright guys, that's it. Look at that. Simple, fast. Rods are a little too extended, but that's okay. Because you know what? It doesn't move anymore. It stays in place. So that's basically it. Am I happy with it? Absolutely. Now all I gotta do is tidy up the engine bay, clean it up a bit, you know, dust, etc. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Now, like I've said before, if you want to support me, then I'd be happy to get a subscriber. And what I'm probably going to start doing as well, I'm going to put my my PayPal in the description, or if not in the description, then I'll put it in my YouTube details, and you'll be able to see PayPal. You know, if you'd like to donate like 50 cents, $1, that'd be great. So I can use that maybe to give myself a cup of coffee, you know, or maybe I can use that to invest in the next thing that I'm gonna buy for my RD1. So again, guys, thanks again for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. I see like 90% of subscribers, 90% of people who watch my videos are not subscribers. So honestly, I'd be really happy if you guys can just click that subscribe button. I mean, I know I don't post up that much, but you know, I'm like one of the only few that post up RD1 content. So yeah, guys, it'd be great. By the way, I just started seeing DB Garage post up a lot of CRV content, and man, that dude's the best. I love all his videos. So yeah, shout out to him, only because he's bringing out the enthusiasts more here in North America. So yeah, guys. All right, well, peace. Have a good one. Fredo's out.